Okay, apparently I'm so confused. Alright, ow! Am I supposed to go over here? Welcome to Nicholas Peter's channel! Hello PS Squad, my name is Nicholas Peter and welcome to Indigo Park. Yes, another horror game. Not FNAF this time. Don't worry, Tubis is still paused for right now, but I'm gonna get that finished. Apparently there's only one chapter. It's a demo, so we're gonna play this and let's go! New. Also, who's that? Alright, new game. Are you sure you want to start? Yeah, I want to start all the way over. Why? Who's down the left bottom? Indigo Park.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and fantasy, where your dreams hope.
This looks real. Molly Macau. We're going on a different area. Okay. Oh, we're going to Indigo Park. Oh, Indigo Park has a closure. That's why. Okay. Oh my god, the toy. Wow. Chapter 1, Birds of the Feathers. Alright. Who is down the bottom left? What? Find a way into the park. Okay, we know we could use wasps to move. Can we run? Yes, we can. Okay. And we can turn it off. We can turn it off and on. I'd rather to have my flashlight on the whole time. Also, who is that? Wait, what? I just picked up something. Visit information. Information what? Okay. Oh, okay. Wranglers only. Why not employees only? I don't know why you have to put wranglers only. That's okay. Anyone there?
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you.
Yo, what?
Don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Nice. So apparently why my face is like that and why I look so unhappy. Well, apparently I'm not feeling great right now, and I'm feeling super tired today. I didn't get enough sleep. Lots of schoolwork that I have to do. But luckily, summer is coming, and maybe we'll have I get my smile back. Probably, we don't know. Also, Dominic Tabis is still on work. Just be patient for that. Now after this editing, I'm gonna get my shut eye. So, my first time in the park. Oh, meet Rambly at the park gates. Park's main gate. Do I just, hello?
What's the holdup? The gate is open.
Oh.
Head on into the entryway.
Are you sure about that?
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambly venture. Have fun!
That's the name? What? So we use this? No. Oh, I think we have to follow that, right? Oh, do we follow that? Or jump? Oh, we go here.
The Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Oh, I see. It has a missing piece. Excuse me? Okay. Oh, I can collect that too. Visit the information clocks? Wait. Okay, I can't pull that. I could pull that, but I need a piece. Where? But where? Oh, right here. Got it. And we're gonna insert that here. Okay. And we turn it on. Oh, and we got a little animation there. And we got light. Now I could turn it off. But I have to turn that back on. And turn it off now. Hey!
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Oh! Got Molly Macau, and I think that's Rambly. Yeah. Alright. F to toggle your flashlight. Okay. Oh! Look at these. Can I break those? So I can collect these guys? I don't know if I can, but what the hell? Oh, why is this doing alone? I could get that. Hey, visit the information clocks to learn more. Okay, I had no idea what it meant, like visit the information clocks. Can I go here? No. Am I doing something wrong? Do I put to? Oh.
Oh, silly Rambly.
Oh.
Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Oh, welcome. Please have your critter cuff ready to scan. If you don't yet have a critter cuff, please visit the information desk or the critter COOP to get yourself registered. Oh, critter corner. Wow. So there's like an
There you
arrow.
go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park.
I didn't get. Oh,
Also
never mind.
doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
Okay, now I could get it. Hey, so I have to keep that there. Oh, I could collect these guys if I wanted to. Oh, this one's burnt. Oh, I thought that was burnt for a second, but that was my flashlight.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
How dare you? Okay. Oh. Do I do it like this?
Hooray!
That
Great
took a
work,
while.
buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
Oh, and also it has a merch. It has merch now. So now we use this. Scan, and now we can pass through. Nice. Oh. Okay, who's that person? I need to know. Is there like a message there? No. I guess we'll never know. Bird up. How about bird down? Molly McCann. Oh. I guess we're in. What? Okay, men's restroom. Why is it dark over here? Oh, wait, now it's pitch black. Okay. There has to be something like a secret, because we need to know. Anything here? Hello? Oh! What is this? Now, oh, why did I just open that? I accidentally opened the menu. Okay.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the inconvenience, your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this
Why
great
did your
deal
eyes
with a ride
turn
on the
green?
railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Okay. Alright. Oh, we got the raccoon that is Rambly. Go this way. And there's all TVs around.
Your facial data suggests you may be
Oh.
a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambly's Railroad?
What?
Because I like trains.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we get into the train. We're in. Now it's getting dark. I turn off my flashlight. I hear music. Rambly's.
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambly.
Well then. Oh! Hey, it's Molly Macau.
Oh, look, it's Molly McCaw.
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
You sure are, Moll. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming.
Oh my god.
What's barnstorming?
What's that?
Crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you've got along with you look like great pilots. Why not try your hand at flying in my ride? Rooftop races.
Admission included with your critter pass.
Okay. Alright, anyone else there? Up that one's. Yeah, they gotta get this place fixed. Because there's lots of rocks.
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me.
Okay.
I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey
Oh.
currently closed for repairs.
I see. Thank you for the reminder that it's close. Alright. Oh my god. Who is. Get the ride back on and running. Okay, that's broken. Alright, We gotta follow that. My gosh, that scared me. Oh. Okay, 2 of them are missing. Gotta find these 2. What? Why? Okay. Can I? Oh, I can pick that one up. Okay, we gotta find all these collectives. Okay, that's 1, and that's 2. We found both of them. There we go. Alright, hop back on the right. Wait, hold on. Oh, I thought that thing is gone. You still glitchy, buddy? Nope, you're fine.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
Okay, apparently Rambly.
Of course it was. I'm the real star.
Okay, so Rambly hates Lloyd. I could tell. Okay. I can tell why. Alright. Now we're here. Let's get this.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
And Lloyd. What? What? Wait. That thing just moved. That's Molly Mascot. Oh my god. Alright. Let's see if we can find any collectives here. Nope. None of that. Oh, we don't have to use the flashlight. It's not that dark. And oh. Can we collect these? No? Now, I just want to ask Rambly why this Molly Mascow just moved like behind us. Now I'm scared. Okay. Now we're outside. Apparently we can't jump into the fountains. Anything else here? No. Nothing here. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh, what is that? I see like a... Oh, never mind. Jesus. Okay, so there are a lot of things we could go. I mean, there's only 2 things we could go. The Lloyd's Main Stage Theater, which Rambly hates. Or we could go to the clock. Let's go check it.
Come over here.
Where? Where exactly? Can't you see I'm investigating? I need to check here. Okay, there's no TV. Oh, never mind. It's a golden one? It's a golden Rambly, right? Or Lloyd. I hear music.
This here's an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to
That's
ask me
it for-
about,
oh.
just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Okay, oh, gold Rambly plush. Alright. Now tell me about the Raction figure. Oh, it's the all new Rambly's the raccoon Raction figure. Available at your local toy store. It's cool to see that there's some mint condition ones still in the park. So,
Oh, I got this. I know the commercial by heart.
Wow, it's the unlimited edition Rambley the Raccoon Fraction figure. Push him down and he jumps. Push him up and he doesn't. Only $19.99 at your favorite toy store.
Okay. Now, what about this gold one?
Wow, is that a limited edition gold Ramping plush? Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out.
Why is that clock spinning
Our
fast?
employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails. Hard to believe there was all that demand for a regular Rambly plush we just blasted with gold spray paint.
Oh. Molly
Oh,
McCown.
a Molly plush! She's always been my best friend. Did you know she builds planes in our landing pad at the park? And then she crashes them. She's so talented.
But did she crash people? Lloyd. I feel like as a kid, Indigo used Lloyd a lot more. He was always one of my favorites.
Ew, Lloyd.
There's no way you just said that!
Ew, Lloyd. Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
Yeah. Now there's ears.
Rambly ears! Those used to fly off the shelves. That pair's pretty damaged, though. Keep your eyes peeled. There's gotta be at least one more mint condition set out there somewhere. Like a yard sale.
Okay.
Ew, Lloyd.
I like that. What's that? Alright. Let me talk to Rambly. What the guess is this? Souvenir cup.
Ooh, that's a Rambly cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head.
Okay. Okay, we can't keep going. We have to go to one of his enemies. Lloyd. Can I open this fridge? No. Alright, let's go to Lloyd's theater. Lloyd's main stage theater. Can we open this? Oh. Okay, what? Oh, we don't have that. Do I like have to upgrade it or something? I don't know. Oh god. What am I doing wrong, guys? I can't even find a single yellow one. It's somewhere in this desk or something? In one of these chairs? Okay, apparently I'm so confused. Oh!
You're at Jetstream Junction. Oops. Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
Orange level. Access granted. Oh! Find the key to Jetstream Junction at Lloyd's main stage. And it says here the orange cape. I didn't read the whole thing, but it told me the orange is granted now. So let's see. Yes. Eh. All right, we're here. I'm tired. That's Lloyd. And it's literally looks like a real lion. What the hell? Hey. Oh. Wow, his footsteps is loud. Do we follow him though? Or no?
Hey, buddy. I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cub is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Oh, I see. So critter cubs can't do anything to me. Oh, yeah, I know. Okay. Okay, I see. Why is it getting dark? I don't like it. Nope. Oh, this was open. What? Yo! You know I see you. You guys saw that. Okay, now I'm getting scared. I need to be quiet. His footsteps is super loud. Is there any collectives here? Oh, that's a big one. Can I crouch? Oh no, I don't have to crouch. Okay, I don't hear any footsteps. Which is actually good. Oh my god. Whoa! Yeah, how does it feel? Don't ever do that again. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're good. We're good. He just got crushed. But still alive. Alright. Go in here. What? Okay, we got... Oh, use the key to unlock Gesture Junction. Oh yeah, we need that. His footsteps is loud. Alright, oh wait, did I grab... Oh yeah, I grabbed the key. Why is it so loud? I kept hearing those footsteps. I don't like it. What? I hear breathing. I think that's the lion. Alright. Scan that. There. Oh! He's gone. Did we do something? What happened? And what did it just do? I think I used the high-pitched sound that made him run away, I think. Okay, at least we're alive. That's a good thing. Now we're out of here. We're not going to see Lloyd again. Alright, unlock this. And we're out of here. Okay. This thing was missing. Why was it missing? Oh, and that one's close too! Alright, turn that off.
Ew, Lloyd.
I agree. Please explain why is it spinning so fast. There we go. And we're in. Woo!
Say, why don't you check out Molly's Rooftop Races? It's not
Molly's
far from
Rooftop
here,
Races.
and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take an up at Molly's landing pad.
Got it. But first, let's see if there's anything collectives here. No, none here. Wow. Okay, rooftop races. That's where we have to go. But should we check everything? Ooh, they got burgers, hot dogs. Anything else? Okay, my eyes is killing me right now. I just went to the pool and my eyes is like going crazy. Anything else? Hello? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, I don't see any collectives here. So we'll have to keep looking. I know you guys have any to collect this. What? Got a game? Hey, we're gonna play a game now. Oh no, Molly's plane crashed somewhere in Rambo's Berries Woods, and I didn't get a chance to read. Alright, how do I? Oh, this is jump. Oh, I just stopped on something, and it's a purple one. Oh, and I can also double jump. Get over here! Hey! Alright. There we go. I think we have to collect these raspberries. Or rainbow berries. What? Oh! Haha! Got that. Keep going. Okay, they're making love. Let's keep going. Oh, go down? What? Alright, where's the plane at? Oh. One. Ah, I fell. 2, 3. Oh, we can't fall here. Oh, we made it. Where's the other? Oh, we go down here. And boom. Anything else here? Molly, what happened? Hey Rambo. I was flying through the woods, but suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Oh! Looks like my smoke screen made her crash right on target. Salad! I should have known you were behind this, you shady shunk. Nah. How's about I try my new potion on her instead? I'm tired of wasting it on this world. Molly, look out! Oh! Yep, it made her turn evil. Too slow, dumpster face. What did you do to her? Meet the new and improved Molly Macau. Now, with none of that old friendship garbage stopping her from tearing you to pieces. I wonder what she really thinks of you now. Have fun finding out! Oh, boss battle? Alright, ow! Am I supposed to? Ow! Oh, I can't touch that. What is happening? I think we won. But there's glitches. We just grabbed it. Oh my god. It turned real. Guys, it's real. In actual real, we can't go in here. Can you collect this? Yes. It's a dog? Is it a dog? I'm not so sure. But let's keep on going. It's pretty hard to see. This flashlight is kind of useless.
Oh no, this is horrible.
What's wrong?
Looks like Molly crashed into the right again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
Oh, okay. He's calling it right now. He's calling it right now.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Oh.
Please check the number and dial again.
Oh.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Okay, we're going to Molly's rooftop races. Guess we're going there. But I'm already on the Molly's rooftop races. Oh, is it telling me to go down? Oh, wait. Molly's landing pad. And also, it has like a... What's that? What? Really now? Alright. Oh no. Let's play. Hey! Oh my gosh. Are you serious? This is not happening. Alright, there has to be something up there. Why? Just why? How long is this? Okay. Jeez. Am I scared right now? What if this is a trap? Is this a trap? Am I gonna die? And I just went reverse. Purple star. Do we need to change that to purple? Do we need to find the colors? Or... I think we have to find anything here. This one's locked. Oh wait, we could go there! I didn't even see that for a second. Alright. Oh! What? Oh, it's a trampoline. Oh my goodness, that scared the frick out of me. Alright, looks like we gotta go there. Okay. Please don't jump scare me with that Macau crawly thing. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oh, green one, green triangle. We gotta memorize that. Green triangle. I think that's gonna give us anything. Okay, we know the green is triangle. Blue star. Okay, green chop. I saw that. Why would you do this to me? Okay, blue star, a green triangle. Okay, this one's already. Alright, turn that to a star. But wait, what about the red one and the yellow one? Did we run past that? Did we run past that? But we're missing a yellow. Should we do it randomly? What's that? Is it the idea? Circle? Oh! We figured it out! Hey! So there was a missing yellow. Or maybe we couldn't find it. Which is pretty tricky to find. So anyways, we're here. Alright, so... Wait, why is it dark? What? We're in the slide! Woo! Okay. Alright, so... Put that. Go over here. Okay, this one's locked. Go over here. Oh. Stay there, what? Oh! Hey! Oh, go that way. Oh! Go! She's close! Oh, that way. This music! Hey! me. Okay, is she still behind me? She is right now. Wow. I jump up. Okay. Go. Keep going. Oh, that way. I'm stuck. Like that? Okay. Where is she? Go, go, go. Go. Oh my gosh, she's crawling the vent? Go. Go. Keep going.
Ah, there you are, buddy.
Oh, hi.
Wait, hold on. This one's step only.
Can I just go there? Oh my god! Oh no 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 no! Get back! What? What?
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so... I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are... I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time.
Oh my god.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
You're good, man.
But, I have an idea. I have
What?
access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
I will do anything.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Also, why is this eyes green? Seems suspicious, but look at her! She just got chopped. She got chopped in her head. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler.
That's just W.
Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers registered is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wranglers registered security room to set yourself free.
That's a lot of register.
Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel. But Rambley's Wranglers registered is a registered trademark that expired yesterday.
Oh. That explains it. Yeah, sorry Molly McCall, but you're dead. It looks like you're not going up, you're going down. Okay, so we're going Wranglers only, which is employees. So we go over here.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers.
Oh.
Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Oh. Okay, I guess we'll go here. Woo! We're here. Oh, we got cameras. Cam 1, cam. Wait, why is everything cam 1? Okay. Let's just keep going. Wait, is there any like a... I'm sorry, my eyes is... Got a mouse? Keyboard? No collectives? Well, I just picked up something. Yeah, I think that's one of the secrets. Alright, up we go. Wait, are we out? We're outside! We can leave. Is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, we're missing 2! Alright, but first things first, we got... He needs to tell us about the Puddle Plush, Rambleberry... Oh, Rambleberry, okay, and the Ramblehead.
Hey, buddy, did you dig that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash? No surprise to guess that our park would dispose of a non-Indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime
Oh, that's
special
not
for a child with poor taste, though.
Okay, that's not the non-Digigo. Okay. Apparently that's not from the Indigo Park. Rambleberry.
Whoa, where'd you get that? Brambleberries are my favorite!
I found that in the game.
Oh, if only I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite. Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day!
But if I eat this, I'll turn it into a pixel! Alright, what about your head?
Whoa, where'd you find that? I've never seen anyone wearing one. Pretty snazzy. Ooh, looks like there's an audio recording tagged with costume in my database I've never noticed before. Let's listen!
Alright.
Hey Jackson, you hear about the new mascots?
Yeah, think it'll put us out of a job?
I think so. Old sport. And right after we got this damn raccoon costume.
Man, screw this place. I say we get our ass out of here and go straight to Vegas.
Oh.
Aw, come on. They didn't even document the Indigo inventory ID for the costume. I was really looking forward to that. What a useless recording. Deleted.
Oh, it deleted the recordings. Okay. So we don't need. Yeah, that was kind of useless. To be fair. All right, Oceanic Odyssey.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
I am, technically.
You'll find a poker and porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You really know what ice technique is.
Chapter 2.
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine. No, all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. I'm so happy you rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
The last one, please. Yeah, we'll come back for part 2, for the second chapter. We'll come back for that. Well, that's it for this video. That was a scary experience, but let's see if we see chapter 2. If you like me to play chapter 2, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. See ya.